today's video I'm going to be showing you how to pretty well change your transmission mount in your F350 Super Duty F250 F150. Should be the same. This got the ZF S542 transmission in it. We actually got done redoing the transmission, and this is the factory mount that was on it, and it does got some cracks on it. I don't know if you can see it. I'm shooting this with a GoPro on top of my head. Yep. And really ain't sure, but here's a new one, and it's actually marked rear, and basically that will face the rear of the truck, hopefully. I'm pretty sure, but compared to the one that was on it, it looks exactly the same. Huh, who would have knew it's directional? But the part number for this is right there, just in case you need the same one. And I got some new bolts for it right here, all new hardware, and some thread locker blue. You can get it in Loctite or Permatex. This was what they had, and I have used it quite a bit, and I still got some left, and I will be using it on this. I use Loctite on these basically because this is your trans mount, and if this comes loose and starts moving around and stuff, it can fuck a lot of shit up. So use Loctite, or at least dock washers or something. So let's go ahead and try to install this. Camera on. Camera, you off, but I need you on. Okay, I have no idea what you guys seeing, but I'm gonna use this GoPro, and this is the cross member here, and it's actually does got a half-ass job cutout thing. I didn't do this now. This is actually, I guess, factory for the throwback, and they tried to produce these so fast, and it's just cobbled. But I guess that's what you would call it. Oh, it does go the other way. Okay. Whoops. If you guys can see this, I got my cross member finally bolted up, and I still got my trans mount out. So there's a possibility you can actually change your trans mount without having to pull your cross member. And God knows these upper bolts here is going to be a bitch. If you have to, you probably have to cut them. So using the GoPro, I kind of knocked it against this a little bit, and the filming angle kind of got messed up, so the video didn't take at all too good. So I'm going to do my best to explain it. Your cross member bolt will be here. Over here, I still ain't put these two bolts in it. I am fixing to. Yours will have a bolt here on both sides, unless it's got the PTO, and then it'll have a bolt here on both sides. You don't have to loosen these. You should be fine doing it without it, because I actually could install my new mount without loosening this cross member. What I did was I loosened the two bolts. What you would have to do is loosen the two bolts on your transmission, and then loosen the two down here, the two nuts. Once you get those removed, you can put a jack right here with a board, or just a jack, and jack this up. You might have to remove your drive line. Mine's out. You might can do it with it in it. It just depends how much room you got, or your transfer case, you know. You basically jack the transmission up, and then you can remove this mount out that way. Now, the mounts is directional. Make sure you put them on the way they're supposed to go. And once you get that removed, you can actually slide the new one in, kind of at an angle, and it will go in these grooves and then straighten up. And you can tighten everything back down. I use Loctite, and pretty much on all my install on my trans bolts, I use a mild Loctite just to keep them from backing loose and stuff, because if anything happens to this tail mount, it can cause your tail housing to break. It can, tons of shit can happen if that comes loose or is bad. So I always want to be on top of your trans mounts. So I hope you enjoyed this how-to video. If you did, hit that subscribe button. Sorry I didn't have the full install footage of this, but I'll get you on another video very soon. Drop a like, leave a comment how you found this video, and I'll see you on the next video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you now.